Good day, little math wizard. Today, we are going to study multiplication of whole numbers. Lesson 2. Multiplication of 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Objectives. After the lesson, the learner will be able to multiply 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers with regrouping and solve for problems involving multiplication of 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Let's review. Enhance your skills in mental math. As quick as possible, match the jumbled products below to get the correct answer. Game? Are you ready to check your answers? Here we go. Did you get the answers correctly? Well done! Before we tackle the lesson, let us have a multiplication drill. Find the product of the following numbers. Here are the correct answers. Very good! You are now ready for our discussion. Describe what you see in the picture. Do you like to travel and see other places too? What are the advantages and disadvantages of traveling? Situation. Every year, Sandy saves up money so she can travel during summer. However, since people are not allowed to travel anymore because of the global pandemic, she was able to keep her savings. If Sandy saves 789 pesos per month for a travel fund, how much money will she be able to save for a year? How much does Sandy save per month? Sandy saves 789 pesos per month. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. What will you do to solve the problem? By using the short method, long method, or lattice method of multiplication. There are actually 3 ways to solve multiplication of numbers with regrouping. First, the short method. Second, the long method. And third, the lattice method. How do we solve the problem using the short method? Step 1. Multiply the multiplicand by the multiplier in the ones place. Regroup when the product is 10 or greater. 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. We will regroup 18, bring down 8, regroup 1 in the tens place. 2 multiplied by 8, 16, plus 1, 17. We will regroup 17, bring down 7, regroup 1 in the hundreds place. Then 2 multiplied by 7 is 14, plus 1, 15. Step 2. Multiply the multiplicand by the multiplier in the tens place and leave the ones place blank. Regroup when the product is 10 or greater. 1 multiplied by 9 is 9. 1 multiplied by 8 is 8. 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. Step 3. Add the partial products to get the final product. 8, 7 plus 9 is 16. Bring down 6, regroup 1 in the hundreds place. 1 plus 5 plus 8 is 14. Bring down 4, regroup 1 in the thousands place. 1 plus 1 plus 7 is 9. Answer: Sandy will be able to save 9,468 pesos for her travel fund in a year. At this time, you will now know how to solve the problem using the long method. Step 1. Write the multiplicand and the multiplier in expanded form. For 789, we have 700 plus 80 plus 9. For 12, we have 10 plus 2. Step 2. Multiply the digit in the ones place by the multiplicand. Regroup when the product is 10 or greater. We have 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. Bring down 8. Regroup 10 in the tens place. 2 multiplied by 80 is 160. Plus 10 is 170. Bring down 70. Regroup 100 in the hundreds place. 2 multiplied by 700 is 1,400. Plus 100 is 1,500. Write 1,500 in expanded form. Step 3. Multiply the digit in the tens place by the multiplicand and leave the ones place blank. Regroup when the product is 10 or greater. 10 multiplied by 9 is 90. 10 multiplied by 80 is 800. 10 multiplied by 700 is 7,000. Step 4. Add all the partial products to get the final product. We have 8. 70 plus 90 is 160. Bring down 60. Regroup 100 in the hundreds place. 100 plus 500 plus 800 is 1,400. Bring down 400. Regroup 1,000 in the thousands place. 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 7,000 is 9,000. Answer: Sandy will be able to save 9,468 pesos for her travel fund in a year. This time, you will learn the lattice method. There are only 3 easy steps. Step 1. To find the product of 789 and 12, use the 2 by 3 lattice. Position the factors as shown. Step 2. Multiply each digit above by each digit on the side. Write the digits product as shown. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. We will write 7 below the diagonal since it is a one-digit number. 8 multiplied by 1 is 8. 9 multiplied by 1 is 9. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. We will place the tens digit above the diagonal and the ones digit below the diagonal. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. Step 3. Add down the numbers along the diagonals. Regroup when necessary. 8. 9 plus 1 plus 6 is 16. Bring down 6, regroup 1. 1 plus 8 plus 1 plus 4 is 14. Bring down 4, regroup 1. 1 plus 7 plus 1 is 9. The answer is read counterclockwise. 9,468. Answer: Sandy will be able to save 9,468 pesos for her travel fund in a year. Which method is easier and faster to use? Let's practice! Applying what you learned from the discussion, try to find the product of the following using the short method. Write your solution in your notebook. Now, let's check your answers. Awesome! How did you find the activity? Do you like to use the short method in multiplying numbers with regrouping? Let's practice some more. This time, try to find the product using the long method. Write your solution in your notebook. Let us now find out if your answers are correct. Splendid! How did you find the activity? Which is easier to use? The short method or the long method? Explore and discover. The grade 4 class of Liluan Sur Elementary School harvested 168 kilograms of turmeric from their income-generating project. How much would the class earn if they sell each kilo of turmeric for 75 pesos? How many kilograms of turmeric did the grade 4 class harvest? The grade 4 class harvested 168 kilograms of turmeric. How much does each kilogram of turmeric cost? Each kilogram of turmeric costs 75 pesos. What will you do to solve the problem? By using the short method, long method, or lattice method of multiplication. This time, using the lattice method, what is your product? Are you ready? Let's see if you got it right. The complete answer is the class would earn 12,600 pesos from their turmeric harvest. Excellent job, kiddo! Let's get moving! Multiply the following numbers. Do your solution in your notebook. Let's check your answers. Marvelous! It's notebook time! In each blank egg, write the product of the numbers shown in the two eggs below it. For example, 126 multiplied by 45 is 5,670. Now, get the product of the rest of the numbers. Let's check. You got it all correct. Very well done. At this point, find the products using any of the methods. Choose your answers from the bubble. Let us now check your answers. You did a great job. Generalization. How do you multiply 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers with regrouping? So there are 3 ways to multiply with regrouping: the short method, the long method, and the lattice method. The short method has 3 steps. First, multiply the multiplicand by the multiplier in the ones place. Second, multiply the multiplicand by the multiplier in the tens place and leave the ones place blank. Third, add the partial product. The long method has 4 steps. First, write the multiplicand and the multiplier in expanded form. Second, multiply the digit in the ones place by the multiplicand. Third, multiply the digit in the tens place by the multiplicand. Fourth, add the partial products. And the lattice method has 5 steps. First, to find the product of 3-digit by 2-digit numbers with regrouping, use the 2 by 3 lattice. Second, multiply each digit above by each digit on the side. Third, write the digits product in the lattice. Fourth, add down the numbers along the diagonals. Fifth, regroup when necessary. The answer is read counterclockwise. How well did you learn from the lesson? Let us have the evaluation. Are you ready? Use your notebook for your answers. Test A. Find the product of the following using the method that is easier and faster for you. Test B. Guess the secret word by solving for the product of each item below from 1 to 5. Write the letter of your answer on the space provided. What is the secret word? Test C. Read each situation below and solve the problem. Answer the problems using the short method. Show your solution on your notebook. Check your answers using this answer key. Did you get it right? Amazing! For test B, here are the answers. Therefore, the secret word is great. You are such a genius. For test C, problem number 1, here is the solution. Got it? Bravo! For problem number 2, here is the solution. Superb! For problem number 3, here is the solution. Spectacular, little math wizard! Let us now reflect on our learnings. Why is it important to learn the skills in multiplying 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers with regrouping? As a grade 4 pupil, how will you help a classmate who is struggling in multiplying numbers with regrouping. Congratulations! We have come to the end of this lesson. It is our hope that you learned something from the discussions and exercises provided here. Kudos, Math Wizard! Mission accomplished!